During the last 20 years, digitization and internet has changed the fundamentals of the media industry. What are the challenges in this brave new world? What are the competences needed by media workers, media managers, and media entrepreneurs? In this video lecture, we will explain media management by looking at recent changes in the media industry. We will make a comparison between general management and media management, and we will also introduce two key strategic areas in media management, that is, creativity and technological change. Today, content is everywhere. Content is free, and everybody can be a content creator. This has profoundly changed how people, meaning readers, viewers, listeners, customers, how they use and relate to media. The digital media environment is characterized by increased competition, a massive oversupply of content, and a corresponding shortage of receiver attention. It has been argued that the old saying, "content is king," is no longer valid. It has been proposed that attention has shifted from the what of content to the how of the delivery, branding, and customer relationship. In one word, toward management. You could also argue that content is king now more than ever before, in that you need to create great content in order to differentiate your products and to attract audiences that are perhaps more fragmented, discriminating, and disloyal than in previous times. However, focusing on content creation alone is hardly a sustainable strategy for a media company. And the same is increasingly true for individual media workers. In the old world, the content creators' work centered on producing pieces of content for one specific medium. This change has been described as a shift in media work from a soloist to a director. Today, content has to be cascaded across different media and platforms. The very notion of content includes, besides words, pictures and sounds, and increasingly digital applications. Modern media workers need to find their way in an avalanche of content and match the right output to the right media, platform, and audience segment. The nature of media work is now less oriented toward the individual and more towards teamwork, networks, and even crowd work. In media studies, traditionally, there has been a strong tendency to emphasize the unique nature of the media industry. According to this view, the primary task for media organizations have been to create cultural, social, and public value, rather than just business value or profit. Although media companies in many respects are cultural and political institutions, they are currently largely run as business enterprises. Even state-owned public service media and publicly financed media are subject to more financial discipline than previously and operate in highly competitive environments. Furthermore, the media in the industry displays very high rates of new firm formation. There is a growing number of startups and other small media companies that also operate, by and large, on business premises. So, to be sure, there are important industry-specific features in media that need to be acknowledged. However, there are also important similarities compared to other industries. In fact, when you look at media from the perspective of management and organizational theory, the upshot is that the media industry is not all that different when compared to other industries. The similarities between media and other industries are accentuated by larger societal changes. We live in post-industrial, knowledge-intensive societies in which the economy is based on service production and innovation. People in general increasingly work with information and symbols, and even with creative problem solving. More people than ever think for a living.